Hey guys, how y'all doing? What? You don't want to shake my hand? Why not? Oh, you don't trust me, do you? Okay, hey, this is against a handshake. What? A handshake is a friendly gesture. Yeah, for the most part. Okay, but what about these people that try to intimidate you? They try to overpower you. You've probably seen it on movies. Maybe you've actually had this done to you. Somebody shakes your hand and they want to test your strength. They want to see if they can intimidate you, and they want to crank those hands down tighter on yours and squeeze you and see if you kind of flinch about it, okay? Don't let them do that, all right? This is how, one of several ways that we teach to defend against someone doing that intimidating handshake, all right? Hope you enjoyed it. All right, everyone, we are back. This technique is called the gift, okay? We're giving you something. He's giving something to me. A handshake, friendly gesture, but it becomes a little bit more intimidating, okay? Someone who's not as friendly as you think, all right? So what you're going to do, there's several steps. This is pretty intricate here. Just follow along, rewind it if you have to understand the technique as we go along with this. So get your hand out there, right hand or left hand, but we're going to say your right hand is shaking somebody's hand, okay? Yeah, so we're both having this. The first thing you're going to do, this finger and this thumb works together. I don't shake hands like this anymore. You'll understand why in a moment, okay? I put my finger right against their wrist. We'll explain that in a moment. My thumb is going to go up and down like this, okay? I'm going to hook the top of their thumb. This free hand is I'm going to cup and come under and grab my own hand like this. Really grabbing theirs. I'm going to step, they're at my 12 o'clock. I'm going to step out to about 1 o'clock. As I step over to 1 o'clock, I'm going to bring my elbow under their arm, come in as high as possible, and drop into a horse stance, facing about 4 or 5 o'clock, bringing their elbow on top of my left shoulder, straight down. It'll probably hyperextend their elbow. Maybe break it, probably won't, but definitely will hyperextend it. I'm going to bring my hand back up. Keep a hold of them. I'm going to step out to 5 o'clock and turn my body facing them, counterclockwise. From right here, I've got them in a good wrist lock. I'm going to throw a front leg side kick to an open target. Could be their knee. I love the ribs because the ribs are wide open. And then down, okay? So this is how this works, okay? So we're having a friendly gesture, we're shaking hands. Now I'm squeezing down. Now here's the kicker. Doesn't matter how strong I am. If you do this one technique, in fact, we're gonna switch it around here. If you do this one technique, the pressure will be relieved. You'll be amazed. Look at that. You see that finger? This is what I teach all my students. This is how I shake hands all the time. Nobody notices the difference when you're actually doing this. So that right there, watch this. I'm going to try to squeeze. Now, you don't understand, but he can tell you I'm really putting pressure on him, but it doesn't hurt. So I'm doing this. No. Just hold the finger there. I'm going to squeeze. Squeeze. So can you feel the pressure? He can feel the pressure, but if his finger's down like this, watch what happens. Watch what happens. So if his hand's down like this, and I grip, look at that. I barely gripped. Maybe a little bit more tension. But did you see him drop? Difference. So immediately, his finger goes right here. I don't even notice it. As I'm squeezing, I'm intimidating him. Going eye to eye. Like, what are you going to do, punk? That's what he's going to do. He's going to thumb lock me and squeeze with his thumb down. It's going to cause my thumb to pop up. He's going to cup his hand and bring his elbow underneath my arm, going towards 1 o'clock. Just like this. Raise it up high, drops it to low 6, stop there. Notice the position of my hand. My palm faces up. This brings my elbow towards his shoulder. He's going to raise the arm up and with the left foot step out to 5 o'clock. Look what he's doing. Don't move. Look at this position. He's rolled me in towards an outward wrist lock. It also cranks my shoulder, causes me a lot of pain. Number of targets. He likes those ribs. He's going to, boom, throw that side kick into those ribs. That's it. Okay? So one more time. Again, This is the most important part. Whether he squeezes your hands or not, you're still safe. Okay? He's going to thumb lock me, squeeze down, rolls. Do it again. Do it again. I want to show you something. Watch this, guys. Okay? Go ahead. Oh, now I'm trying to put pressure on him so he can't raise my arm. But with that elbow underneath my arm, he'll raise it instantly. He drops me, raises up, steps, looks at the lineman, boom, throws it in my hip, my ribs, whatever. Okay? One more time. A little bit. I'm not going to instruct. He's just going to do it. He's going to think about the technique at the angle that he's using. Okay? Just like that. That's the motion. Okay? So if you do this over and over again, it'll become very fluid. It'll also become very powerful. That right there is the gift. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you're seeing here on our Tong Il Lo YouTube station, do us a favor, subscribe to the channel, as well as it's very important that you like all the videos that you think is worth liking. Give us a thumbs up, because that's the only way that YouTube is going to know to send it out to others that have similar interests, not just for our channel by itself. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click on the subscribe button on the YouTube channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions about our programs, please go to tongillo.com and click on Contact Us.